Welcome to Buyer's Favorites. Black Friday 2024 is here, and Home Depot's deals on tools are absolutely unbeatable. From power tools to storage solutions, we've curated the ultimate list of must-have items for every DIYer and professional. Stick around to find out how you can save big this holiday season. Find all the links in the description to grab these deals before they're gone. Deal 1, Ryobi 18-volt 1 Plus 6-tool combo kit. This deal slashes the price from $299 to just $199, saving you $100. You get a complete kit with a drill driver, impact driver, reciprocating saw, circular saw, multi-tool, and an LED light. It's perfect for all your home projects, and since it's part of the Ryobi 1 Plus system, you can use the same battery with over 300 other tools. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Deal 2, Milwaukee M18 Fuel 7¼ circular saw. Now priced at only $249, down from $439, you save a huge $190. This saw has a powerful brushless motor that delivers 6,000 RPM, making it perfect for tough jobs. It offers up to 750 cuts per charge, so you'll get plenty of work done before needing a recharge. Great for contractors and serious DIYers looking for professional-grade tools. Deal 3, DEWALT Atomic 20-volt Max Cordless Combo Kit. This compact combo kit is now just $149, down from $229, saving you $80. You'll get a drill driver and an impact driver with brushless motors, plus two 20-volt max batteries and a charger. The tools are lightweight but pack plenty of power, making them perfect for all kinds of tasks. If you're looking for reliability and performance, this is a great choice. Deal 4, Milwaukee M12 Fuel 12-volt combo kit, now available for $179, down from $229, saving you $50. This kit includes a subcompact drill and an impact driver that offers superior power in a compact size. With RedLink Plus intelligence, these tools adjust for maximum performance and efficiency, even in demanding conditions. Perfect for small projects and tight spaces, these tools deliver big results. Deal 5, Gorilla Ladders 22 feet, multi-position ladder for just $149, down from $239. You'll save $90 on this versatile ladder. It can be used in several different ways: extension ladder, step ladder, or scaffold base, and features 28 adjustable heights. The ladder even comes with a removable project bucket for storing your tools while you work. Ideal for home improvement tasks, this ladder is strong, lightweight, and durable. Deal 6, Milwaukee M18 starter kit with two 5.0-hour batteries, now only $199, down from $397, saving you an impressive $198. This kit comes with two powerful 5.0-hour batteries that offer more runtime and power for your M18 tools. Built for tough jobs, these batteries last longer and charge faster than standard batteries. If you need maximum power and efficiency, this starter kit is a great investment. Deal 7, Ryobi 1 Plus 18-volt cordless 6-tool combo kit, priced at just $199, down from $299, saving you $100. This set includes a drill driver, impact driver, reciprocating saw, circular saw, multi-tool, and an LED light. Everything you need for a wide range of tasks. Plus, all the tools are compatible with the Ryobi 1 Plus battery system, which works with over 300 tools. It's a fantastic deal for DIY enthusiasts and homeowners alike. Deal 8, DEWALT 15-amp double bevel sliding miter saw at $499, down from $828. This deal saves you a massive $329. This miter saw delivers precision cutting with its 15-amp motor and features a sliding fence that supports up to 7.5 inches of crown molding. With quick and accurate adjustments, it's perfect for woodworkers or anyone tackling big cutting projects. Get this professional-grade tool for a fraction of the price. Deal 9, Husky 4-tier garage storage shelving unit, now just $229, down from $249, saving you $20. This heavy-duty shelving unit can hold up to 2,500 pounds per shelf, making it perfect for storing tools and equipment. Its boltless design makes assembly quick and easy, and it's built to last with durable steel construction. An excellent addition to any garage or workshop to keep things organized. Deal 10, Husky 52 in, heavy-duty rolling tool chest combo. Now only $798, down from $998, saving you $200. This tool chest is made of tough welded steel with ball-bearing slides for smooth drawer operation. It has 6 drawers and a reinforced lid, offering plenty of space for all your tools and accessories. Plus, it includes a top lid with built-in electrical outlets and USB ports, perfect for charging your devices while you work. And there you have it, the top Black Friday tool deals at Home Depot in 2024. These discounts won't last long, so make sure to grab your favorites today. Links to all the deals are in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for updates on the best deals all year long. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.